And this is what it looks like now. So I basically got to throw everything on. Got my rear door empty. Rocker off. Wheel liner loose. The glass out. My front door is empty too. Fenders off. And the assembly is about to start. Fully assemble. So I got the quarter trims in, tail light on, bumper on, and then I got the quarter glass back in. The door fully assembled, the rear door working properly. So, and then the front door also worked properly. I got all the piece back in it. Everything functioned right. And then fenders on.